Padir are going to the properties garden. We're leaving Mama Erin and Uncle T. Bye, babe. Mar took the kids to the school. He'll be back in like an hour.
What's his doctor?
I don't know where.
When?
Today too. He's gonna go first. He's gonna take you to the barber shop first, and then leave you there, and then go to the doctor, and then come pick us up, and then go to the massage.
Tomorrow, right?
If we can, maybe this afternoon, depending on her schedule. If she's ready for you today or tomorrow. Bye bye. Ayan, pakisara. Oh, let's go, Padir. Hindi ka na. So guys, I am taking Padir to the garden downstairs so he can take a walk. Talaga namang poging-pogi ka. Oh, let's go. Doon, diretso ka doon tayo lalabas. Ayan. Padir is going to take a walk. Sige, maglakad-lakad ka na dyan. Ay, mali. Dapat pala, doon tayo lumabas. Doon tayo lalabas, Padir. Mali. We went the wrong way. Doon tayo, dali. Babalik tayo. Parang ano to, Padir, parang preso, no? Padir is just going to take a walk, but he made sure he has his sling bag and he's wearing his Adidas. Kaya pa? Kaya pa? Sige. Ayan. Punta ka ng kaliwa. Punta ka dun sa kaliwa. Sige, mag-walking ka na, Padir. Ay, saan? Sige, susundan ka pa. Oo. There's a basketball court over there. Oh, nice flowers. Dito, Padir. Maglakad-lakad ka na doon. Babantayan kita dito. This is fake grass. This looks like a greenhouse. Dito ka na lang pa. Dito ka na. Balik ka na lang dito. Huwag ka na bumaba dyan. Huwag na. Huwag na, mataas yan eh. Dito ka na lang. Ano to, greenhouse? This looks like a greenhouse. Ooh, nice plants.
Ane,
Okay, ikot ka ulit.
digil sila pag tagal na ito.
Nahihilo ka?
Ha?
Nahihilo ka?
Hindi yung salamin.
Ano?
Sumidilim pag tagal na. Ang malayo.
Anong dumidilim?
Ang labo.
O, dito ka na. Dito ka na ulit. Kabalik na tayo dun. Sa labas tayo. Pumunta tayo sa swimming pool. Ito.
Ginagawa ng pala.
Galing mo. Pagpapindutin mo to. Nasa yung salon pass mo? Nasa yung salon pass mo? Diba may salon pass ka? Nasaan binigay yung salon pass? Yung pantapal mo?
Na,
Yung salon pass?
yung isa, inalis ko. Tapos isa na lang.
Di ba binigyan ka na isang buong balot? Nasaan na yun?
Mayroon pa ako.
Saan? Sa bag mo? Sa bag mo? Kung meron ka, nandiyan ba? Kunin mo, lalagyan natin dito. Hello? Saan na dyan? Ayun, diba? Hanapon ako. Saan? Sa bag mo?
Diba?
Saan bag?
Bahay.
Wala. Kaya mo na, mamaya na sa bahay na. Padir is resting, guys. The walk exhausted him. And he gave me a treat of taho for breakfast. It's good. It's hot. I talked to the vendor of taho. He said he just had surgery for his appendicitis, but he had to work 5 days after his surgery, and the taho container is a steel container. Gosh, I don't know how heavy it is, but it's still, I think, 3/4 filled of taho. So hopefully he gets to finish selling, or I've seen a couple of people approach him after I bought this taho for, this is like probably 60 cents only for breakfast. And I think just like the vendor on the other condo we stayed last week, he'll probably be out of here by 10 o'clock in the morning. So the guards of the premises allow him to stay here at the clubhouse. It looks like this is a popular destination. This clubhouse is a popular destination for both the young and the not so young, or the young and the young at hearts. In the morning, this looks like a hub. So I took my dad for a walk from our building to here, and then I saw a couple of senior citizens tending to their grandchildren. There's actually two over there playing with their grandchildren. And it's a very quiet place. I think they have 6 buildings here at the Mireya Residences. So I'm gonna get ready and go back to walking with my dad so I can also take tea to the spot before it gets warmer. So guys, Padir is getting ready to go back to walking after a couple of minutes rest, and we are headed back to our building. Let's go, Padir. Ha?
Nang natumba, pumina ko.
Saan?
Nang natumba ko.
Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo, huwag ka makulit eh. O, tinan mo, may pusa doon.
Kasi
No?
kanatas ko.
Teka lang, diyan ka lang. Tumayo ka muna dyan, ha? Tumayo ka lang. Dito tayo. Dito muna tayo. Doon, oh. Para malayo lalaka. Pagod ka na ba?
Hindi pa.
Kung pagod ka na, babalik na tayo. Diretso ka lang. Kaya pa? Okay. Dito ka. Pagod ka na?
Hindi pa.
Dahan-dahan lang. Good morning. Good morning po.
Parang ayaw bumasok nila.
Mamaya magsiswimming kami.
Nawili sa'yo eh.
Ganda, oh.
Kasi, upo muna.
Upo ka muna. Sige. We're headed home now, guys. Padir is so happy. He was able to take a walk this morning. Naamoy mo ba yun? Parang amoy ulam. Somebody's cooking. Magbabay ka na, Padir. Bye-bye, everybody. Thanks for joining us.
Dito ba?
Yes.